Cisco vSmart involves configuring various components to establish a functioning software-defined wide area network (SD-WAN) environment. vSmart is part of Cisco's SD-WAN solution and serves as the centralized brain that manages and controls the entire SD-WAN fabric. Below is a general outline of the steps to set up Cisco vSmart. Prerequisites: 1. Obtain the necessary hardware or virtualized instances for vSmart controllers. 2. Ensure you have access to the Cisco SD-WAN software images and licenses. Deploy vSmart controllers. 1. Deploy the vSmart controllers either as physical appliances or as virtual instances, depending on your network architecture and requirements. Initial configuration. 1. Connect to the vSmart console or management interface. 2. Complete the initial configuration, including setting the host name, domain name, IP addresses, and administrative credentials. Connectivity and network reachability. 1. Configure the vSmart controllers with appropriate IP addresses for control plane communication. 2. Ensure network connectivity and reachability between vSmart controllers. Certificate installation. 1. Generate or obtain the necessary certificates for secure communication within the SD-WAN fabric. 2. Install the certificates on vSmart controllers to enable secure communication. Control plane configuration. 1. Configure control plane settings on the vSmart controllers, including system IP addresses, VPN membership, and site IDs. Authentication and security. 1. Set up authentication mechanisms such as local username/password or integration with external authentication servers, Radius, TACAX+. 2. Implement security policies and access controls to secure communication between vSmart controllers. Templates and policies. 1. Define templates for vSmart controllers to determine how they interact with other components in the SD-WAN fabric. 2. Configure policies for routing, traffic steering, QoS, and other aspects of network behavior. Overlay network creation. 1. Define and configure the overlay network topology by creating VPNs, sites, and service connections. Control and data plane communication. 1. Ensure proper communication between vSmart controllers and other SD-WAN components such as vEdge routers, vBond orchestrators, and vManage controllers. 1. Testing and verification. 1. Test the connectivity and functionality of the SD-WAN fabric by sending traffic between sites and verifying that routing and policies are correctly applied. 1. Monitoring and management. 1. Set up monitoring and management tools to monitor the health, performance, and security of the SD-WAN environment. 2. Integrate with Cisco vManage for centralized management and visibility. 1. Backup and redundancy. 1. Implement backup and redundancy mechanisms to ensure high availability of vSmart controllers. 1. Ongoing maintenance and updates. 1. Regularly update software images, certificates, and configurations to maintain a secure and optimized SD-WAN environment. Please note that the actual steps and commands can vary based on the version of Cisco SD-WAN software you are using. It's recommended to refer to Cisco's official documentation or seek guidance from Cisco experts for the most up-to-date and accurate instructions for your specific environment.